I've got the new Beachy Home Box. So if you want to see what's included in their coastal living home box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is on my lap and Chloe is helping my mom with something. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the very first Beachy Home Box. And I thought I would just give it a try out, at least for their first box, because I do feel like the things I like the best from their box are their home decor and their clothing items, well, and their jewelry. But the home decor is like my favorite. Okay, here's a little sneak peek. Not much to see. There were choice items. So Beachy has been doing more and more choice. And so this just says, welcome to Beachy Home. And doesn't really tell you much about the products. Shows you a few of the items. That this was a $40 value right here. I don't recall if I got that or not. So right on top is this little sign that says, life is better at the beach. It will definitely go into my office. Or maybe it'll stay down here. We have this table runner, which is lovely. This is about half the size of it. And this is definitely something that I would pick out for my home. Next, we have this salt and pepper shaker. And is there a brand on here? I guess I should look at the brands, right? Okay, these don't have a tag. They have these cute little seahorses and starfish on there, little coral, so super pretty. All right, and this is a Beachy Home product, and this is, let's see, it says Mercy Sun Kissed. It's glass. It's a candle, yes. Oh, it smells so nice. It definitely has like that fresh ocean scent. Not like sunscreen, but like there's a little bit of saltiness, some creaminess. And this says on the top, Beachy Home, founding member 2024. And here's that last item. So it is a lantern from Kate Aspen. It does require 3 AAA batteries. So I went and took the bottom off, and I don't have any out here, but I will grab some. It is very nice. This is plastic. So it says it's a $40 value. I don't know. I mean, I would pay $20 for this, absolutely. $40, I'd probably leave it on the shelf, I gotta be honest. The whole box was, after tax and shipping, because it's $5 for shipping, was like $71. So it's not a bad box. I don't know that it's a $70 box. I mean, I think the items in here, if I saw this whole box together for $70, I might, I don't know. I mean, the items are nice, but I don't necessarily know that I would feel like I needed to have these particular items. So I do have this on a season to season subscription. So I'm going to see what the spoilers are and determine whether or not I want the next season's box, and we'll kind of go from there. All right. Well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.